I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by using an account with Google Meet enabled. Sign in and open Meet. Google, Com, or Calendar. Once signed in, choose whether you need an instant meeting or a scheduled event in Calendar. This determines invites and options. Make sure you have participant emails ready or plan to copy the join link for quick sharing. You're setting the foundation here. Correct meeting type and invite method reduce friction later, so pick the one that matches your group size and purpose. Once you create the calendar event, add a clear title date, start/end times, and paste an agenda into the description so attendees know expectations. Click Add Google Meet to generate the meeting link and then manage guest permissions. Allow microphone/camera and decide if guests can invite others. If you need co-hosts, assign alternative hosts or add moderators in a workspace account. Make sure attachments or pre-read files are linked in the event. This reduces background questions and helps the meeting stay efficient. You should join a few minutes early to test audio, camera, and screen sharing. This prevents delays and gives you time to admit late participants. During the meeting, use controls like mute all, pin, record, captions, and breakout rooms to manage flow, and designate presenters for structured sharing. If someone can't join or see audio, first verify Meet permissions and browser updates, then check network and restart the tab. If needed, copy and resend the join link. That fixes most access problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.